For women, breast self-exams are very important, so you should learn how to do a good breast self-exam and perform it monthly. It can help diagnose early breast lesions and breast cancers. For all people, a skin self-exam to look for suspicious moles or moles that are changing can be very helpful for the early diagnosis and treatment of things like skin cancers and melanomas. In addition, it's important to be aware of your body. Are you losing weight without particular cause? That could be a sign of a problem. Are you having blood in your stool or vomiting or coughing up blood? Those are the kinds of things that would alarm you that you should be seeing your doctor. So just be generally aware of changes. You shouldn't be losing weight or feeling particularly very weak for prolonged periods of time without a good reason and without it being investigated.